Good morning, students. Today we will start exercise 15, simplification. Simplification. Okay, simplification of fraction. Simplification of fraction. Today we will start. So, okay, the process of simplification of fraction is similar to the integer. Simplification of integer. So, we have to follow some rules in a simplification. First rule is we have to remember that. Okay, rule number 1 is we have to remember the BODMAS formula, BODMAS rule, BODMAS. We have to remember BODMAS rule in a simplification. So B stand for bracket, O stand for of. We know that of means multiply, and D stand for divide, and okay, M stand for multiply or multiplication, A stand for addition, and S stand for S stand for subtraction. Okay, so we have to remember this BODMAS rule in a simplification. So first is bracket. So there are 4 brackets. First is line bracket, that is a line bracket. If anywhere that sign, that means that is a line bracket. So number 2 is first bracket, number 3 second bracket is also called a curly bracket, and number 4 is third bracket. Okay, so okay, look at that. That is first bracket, and that is second, that is third bracket, and that is a fourth bracket. So first of all, the operation of the brackets are to be done. Okay, we have to first of all we have to done all the operation of the brackets. Okay, if all the brackets are there, then the operation in the beginning, the operation of line bracket we have to done first, then first bracket, then curly bracket, then third bracket. Okay, in the beginning, I told you again, in the beginning the operation of brackets, if all the brackets are there, then the operation of brackets, the operation of line bracket we have to done first, then first bracket is second, then third bracket is second bracket is third, then in the last we have to done last bracket or third bracket. Okay, and we have to then we have to first if done the bracket, if we have to done the work of brackets, then we have to then off, then divide. We have to operation, we have to do it all the operation of then divide, then multiply, then addition, then subtraction. Understand? If okay, in a simplification, and next thing, in a simplification, number, okay, next rule is in a simplification, number 2, in a simplification between two brackets, if there is a one bracket and there is also bracket and there is no sign, if there is no sign, then that means there is a multiply, we have to multiply it. Okay, and similarly rule number 3, similarly, if there is a two number and if there is a point or there is a nothing between two numbers, then we have to, okay, look at that, that is 34, then if there is a so many space, then there is a 4, then that means 3 into 4, there is also multiply. Okay, we have to remember it, and you have to remember the BODMAS formula and bracket also. Okay, now let's start. Exercise 15. Exercise 15, number 1, true false. Okay, exercise 15, true false. So number A, okay, number A, in the case of simplification, the operation of addition is carried out first. That is false. That is false, is not it? In the case of simplification, the operation of brackets is carried out first. Okay, that is false then. So the operation of brackets takes place before the third bracket. The operation of the bracket, operation of bracket is take place before the third bracket. That is true, because first bracket is the operation of first bracket is take place before the third bracket. We have to work on first. We have to all the works first. We have to do it first in a first bracket, then after third bracket. That is true. So if there appeared no sign between a numbers and a bracket, then we assume that off is there. That off means multiply. That is also true. I told you. That is also true. So BODMAS rule help us to remember the rules of the simplification of fraction. That is also true. BODMAS rule help us to remember the rules of simplification. And number F, there is nothing named line bracket in the simplification problem. That is false. Line bracket, that is the name of the bracket. And the operation of take place before division. That is also true. The operation of is take place before the division. Then when we express one quantity as a fraction of another quantity, then they need not be reduced in the some common units. That is false. If there is a common units, then we have to cut it, is not it? So that is false. So 1/4 of 1000 rupees is 400. That is also false. 1/4 of means multiply, then 4 and 1000. 1000 is divided by 4 is 250. 250 ones are 250. So rupees 250 is a right answer. So there is the answer is 400. So that is false. And express 1 second as the fraction of 1 hour. We get 1/36. 1/3600. Okay, 3600. So 1 hour first we have to change in a minute. So 1 hour means we have to divide it by 6 minute, 60 minute. Then okay, look at there, number J. Okay, number A is a false, number B is a true, number C is a true, number D is a false, number E is a true, number F false, number G true, number H false, number I is also false, and number J, look at there, I will do it there. 1 hour we have to express in a second, 1 second. So 1 hour, if I will divide it by 60, then that is changed in a minute, then 1/60 minute. Then if there is a minute, then I will change in a second, then again I will multiply it by divided by 16. Then 1 is divided by 60 into 60 is 1/3600. So that is a right answer. Then that is true. Okay, true false done. Now number B. Subjective type question. Subjective. Subjective type questions. Number 2. A. Find the value of 3/4 3/4 of rupees 2. So we have to find the value of 3/4 of rupees 2. Then solution, 3/4 of rupees 2, okay, equals to, don't forget to write equals to, and 3/4 of, look at that, there is a rupees 2, so we have to write in a 1 rupees how many paise there are how many paise. So in a 1 rupees there are 100 paise, so in a rupees 2 there is a 200 paise. So 4 1s are 4, 450s are 200. So 53s are 150 paise. So 150 paise means rupees 1 rupees 50 paise. Is not it? So you have to do it like this. Okay. Now number 2. Number 2 is find the value of 9/37 of 1 year and 5 days. 1 year and 5 days means, in a 1 year how many days there are? There are 365 days. So 365 days and 5 days, then 370 days is not it? So 9 by 37 of 370 days. So 370, okay, I will 370 days, then 37 ones are 37, 37 tens are 370. So 10 nines are 90 days is your answer. Understood? So number C I will do it. Number B, do yourself. Find the value of 5 by 7 of a week. Okay, find the values of 5 by 7 of a week. Then solution, we have to find the value of 5 by 7 a week. So equals to 5 by 7 in a week. How many days? 7 days. A week means in a 1 week, how many days? 7 days. Then 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So 5 ones are 5 days is your answer. So now I will now do it number F. Okay, number F, do yourself. Number F, look at there. Number, I will do it number E. Okay, first find the value of find the value of 23 by 39 of 19 meter and 5 decimeter. Okay, solution. Now 23 by 39 of 19 meter 5 decimeter. Okay, so 23 by 39 of, look at the 19 meter and 5 decimeter. We have to change, that is a meter, then we have to change in a decimeter. So in a 1 meter, how many decimeter there are? Okay, there are, in a 1 meter there are 10 decimeter. So 10 decimeter means 19 tens are 190 and plus 5 is 195 decimeter. 105 decimeter. So 39 ones are 39, 39 fives are 195. So 23 fives are 5 threes are 15, 1 remaining, 5 to the 10, 1 11, 115 decimeter. So 115 decimeter means 11 meter and 5 decimeter. That is your answer. Okay, let's check it, the answer. Number A. Okay, number A is 1.50 rupees. Okay, that is right answer. And number C is 5 days. That is also right answer. And number E is 11 meter 5 decimeter. Yeah, that is also right answer. Okay, so similarly you have to do it all. Number 2. Okay, your homework. Your homework is number 2. Okay. Okay, number 1. Do it in your copy. Number 2. Number 2, do it all. Okay. So similarly you have to do it all. Okay, if you cannot understand, then ask me on WhatsApp and send. If you finished your homework, then send me on a WhatsApp. I will check your copy. Okay, where is a mistake, I will check your copy and I told you where is your mistakes. Okay, thank you.